Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude for coding help. Stuck on coding problem, Claude can explain it step by step. Whether you're learning to code or fixing error, debugging can be frustrating. And in 2026, Claude works like a coding assistant, helping you understand, write, and fix codes. And you don't need to be an expert to use it. So let's start by following these few simple steps and able to do this task. The first thing to do is to open Claude. And to do that, you're going to go to your web browser and then type in Claude in the search bar. Once you click on here, you're going to click on Claude AI. And then once the website is refreshed or appears, you're going to make sure to log in with your account. Then you're going to start a new chat by clicking on the plus button. After that, you're going to pass your code or describe the problem. For example, I'm going to type in write code that calculates the number of letters in a phrase. For example, phrase given by the user. So I'm just going to click on here and I'm going to choose the model I want to work with. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here and I'm going to click on send. Now Claude will start generating the code with the exact prompts. For example, also you're going to specify which type of codes you can use: Python, C++, JavaScript, etc., HTML. Depending on the usage, you can ask a clear prompt, write details about the code in the prompt. And just like this, you can ask questions like explain this code, fix this error, and optimize this function, and review Claude's explanation. Also, you can test the code in your editor, whether you're using Microsoft Visual Studio, etc. Then you don't copy the code blindly and don't hide the error message. Share full error output and ask Claude to explain line by line. And that's how you use Claude for coding help in 2026. It's faster learning, fewer headaches. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment to below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.